Dentistry has been a fantastic career, professional life for me, which I've been able to combine with the many other responsibilities that I have had, including bringing up 2 children. And I suppose that whole multitasking approach is what I now take forward as president. I have to combine both being an active clinician with also now representing a global organization. I've always loved dentistry, but clearly through a 40-year nearly now long career, it's also great if there's something that comes in and remotivates you and keeps you engaged with your professional field. And the ITI has very much been that, as has WIN. It is the chance to meet with my colleagues, to learn from them, to see how we can make professional life better for everyone else as well and enjoy it as much as I have done.